The book of Mark, chapter 4, verses 35 through 38 say, "Late in that day he said to them, 'Let's go across to the other side.' They took him in a boat as he was. Another boat came along. A huge storm came up. Waves poured into the boat, threatening to sink it. And Jesus was at the stern, head on a pillow, sleeping. They roused him, saying, 'Teacher, is it nothing to you that we're going down?' Awake now, he told the wind to pipe down and said to the sea, 'Quiet, settle down.' The wind ran out of breath. The sea became smooth as glass. Jesus reprimanded the disciples. 'Why are you such cowards? Don't you have any faith at all?' They were in absolute awe, staggered really. 'Who is this anyway?' they asked. 'Wind and sea at his beck and call.' Be still. I love the ocean. I love the beauty and the majesty of it all. When I have a chance, I enjoy going down to the water, just taking a walk by the shore, to make my way down to the sand, find a place to sit, and quietly listen to the sound of the waves, to watch them just lap up on the shore. I love to smell the salt air and to watch the sunshine on the water so beautifully. It's just hard to explain to someone the sheer majesty. For me, it's a calming place. It's a sanctuary for me. A nice sunny day to sit in the sand, watch and listen to the waves, and be pulled into a quiet and still place. I just love it. However, at a moment's notice, all of that can change. The winds come, the waves begin to swell, the sound is no longer peaceful. The view is no longer calming, and it can become frightening and loud, waves swelling up and crashing down as if it were looking for something to destroy. The disciples in the boat were listening to Jesus during the day. They followed him. They listened to his teachings. And when they came to the lake that evening, the lake was calm. They were calm. As the night came, the storm appeared, and the disciples were panicking. Everyone is bailing out the boat, hoping not to sink, and Jesus slept through it all. They were panicking. Fear set in, and Jesus was asleep. They hurried and woke him up, asking, "Teacher, don't you care that we're going to drown?" Jesus wakes and simply asks the storm to calm. The wind stopped, the waves cease, and all is well. His only question to the disciples was, "Why are you afraid? Do you still have no faith?" Do you ever feel that way? One moment you're sitting on the shore watching the waves, calm and peaceful, and the next minute your life is in turmoil. The winds come, the waves crash all around you, and you feel as if you will drown. No one around to help you, no one to calm the storm, and it comes down to this: faith. If we want the storms in our life to calm, then we must have faith in the one who calms those very storms. Just as the disciples cried out to Jesus, so can you. No matter if you're at a point of calm and peace in your life, he still remains in the calm. And if you're at a place where the waves are beginning to swell and you're uncertain what it holds, have faith. God is there. And perhaps you're at a place where the waves are beginning to rock the boat you're in. You're taking on water. Have faith. God is there. Maybe you're even at a place where your boat is rocking so violently that you're having to hold on for dear life, for fear that you're going to go overboard and drown. Have faith. God is there. God knows your circumstances. He knows your heart. And even though it may feel at times that he's far from you, he remains with you, even in the darkest nights and fiercest storms of your life. He is here. You only need to call on his name. The Lord commanded the water that day and said, "Peace, be still." And he can do that in your life as well. You can sit at the water's edge while Christ is drawing you into a peaceful and calm place, to a place of stillness in him. Have faith in the God who loves you today. Have faith, have peace, and be still in him. Song number 353 is "Be Still for the Presence of the Lord." And the words are, "Be still for the presence of the Lord. The Holy One is here. Come bow before him now with reverence and fear. In him no sin is found. We stand on holy ground. Be still for the presence of the Lord. The Holy One is here. Be still, for the glory of the Lord is shining all around. He burns with holy fire, with splendor he is crowned. How awesome is the sight, our radiant King of light. Be still, for the glory of the Lord is shining all around. Be still, for the power of the Lord is moving in this place. He comes to cleanse and heal, to minister his grace. No work too hard for him. In faith, receive from him. Be still, for the power of the Lord is moving in this place. God bless you.